Yo, what is up, guys? We are back with another banger. Please do not click off this video because it is potentially going to change your life. If you follow everything I say, you'll know how to make hundreds of dollars a day by launching meme coins by the end of this video. By the way, I'll be sharing a 12-word Solana wallet recovery phrase that will have one soul in it. You can find the words one by one throughout the video, so make sure to watch till the end. First one to find all 12 words can take the Solana inside it, so good luck. Now, before we get started, this is purely for educational purposes, alright? I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step from finding a meme idea to actually launching your token and setting up trading. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your own meme coin, set up liquidity pools, and understand how people are making money in this space. Let's dive right in. Alright, so first things first, we're going to need a few websites for this whole process. Let me quickly show you what we'll be using. First up is deckscreener.com. This is basically our research tool where we can find trending meme coins and get ideas for our own project. Super useful for seeing what's working right now. Next, we've got coinlauncher.app. This is the magic tool that's going to let us create our Solana token without writing a single line of code. They even have this new AI feature that'll help us come up with meme ideas, which is pretty sick. And lastly, canva.com. We'll use this to design our token's logo. Alright, let's start with finding a good meme idea. I'm here on Deck Screener, and what I usually do is check out the trending tokens and top tokens tabs. You want to look for coins that have established market caps and decent trading volumes. This gives you an idea of what's working in the market right now. You could spend hours here trying to find the perfect meme idea by analyzing all these different tokens, but honestly, there's a much easier way. CoinLauncher actually has this new AI feature that'll generate meme ideas for us. So let's head over to coinlauncher.app. First thing you got to do is connect your Phantom wallet. Just click that select wallet button in the top right corner. Make sure you got some Solana in there because we're going to need it for fees and liquidity pool later. Once that's connected, we're going to click on create your token now. This takes us to the token creation page where all the magic happens. Now here's where it gets interesting. Instead of sitting here trying to think of a clever name and concept, we're just going to let AI do the work for us. See this Ask AI button right here? This is going to generate a complete meme coin idea for us. Okay, it gave us a Doge Luna with the symbol DOGEL. I mean, it's not that bad, but let me try again and see what else we get. Oh, this one's interesting. Let's go with this. So we've got our name, symbol, and description sorted. Now for the decimals and supply, I'm just going to leave these at the default settings. Most meme coins use 9 decimals and 1 billion token supply. No need to overthink this part. Now we need to create an image for our token. Let's head over to Canva to get this sorted. When you're on Canva, what you want to do is create a 1000 by 1000 pixel design. I'm going to quickly make a logo for my coin, so I'll speed up this part of the video. Alright, got our design done. It's simple, but it works. Let me download this and we'll upload it back to CoinLauncher. Back on CoinLauncher, let me upload our image. Perfect. Now, we could add social links here, but for this tutorial, we're going to skip that. Not really necessary for what we're doing. Now here's something important. See this Modify Creator Information option? If we enable this, we can remove CoinLauncher's name from appearing in our token's metadata. It costs a bit extra, but it makes our token look more professional. I'm going to enable this and change the creator info to just our token name. Now, this next part is crucial if you want your token to actually succeed. We've got 3 authority settings here: revoke freeze, revoke mint, and revoke update. Let me explain why these matter. If we don't revoke these authorities, people are going to think our token is a rug pull waiting to happen. Freeze authority lets us freeze people's tokens. Mint authority lets us create more tokens out of thin air. An update authority lets us change the token info whenever we want. Nobody's going to buy a token where the creator can just freeze their funds or mint a billion more tokens. So we're enabling all 3 of these to make our token look legitimate and trustworthy. Everything looks good. Total cost is 0.6 Sol. Let's create this token. Awesome. Our token is created, but right now nobody can actually trade it because there's no liquidity pool. So let's head over to the liquidity pool tab to fix that. Here we need to set up our trading pair. Our base token is going to be our per coin token, and our quote token will be Solana. That's what people will use to buy our token. For the base token amount, I'm putting in 950 million tokens. That's most of our supply, leaving us with 50 million for ourselves. Now for the SOL amount, this is important. The more SOL we put in, the better our token's initial price and stability. You want to put at least 1 SOL, but I'm going to put in 2 SOL to give us a good starting price. Quick tip, make sure you have some extra SOL in your wallet because creating the liquidity pool costs about 0.2 SOL in fees. Don't put all your SOL into the pool. Fee tier will leave at 0.25%, that's the standard. Alright, let's create this liquidity pool. Perfect, pool created successfully. We should get a pop-up with our DEX screener link. There it is. Let's click on this and see our token. As you can see, our coin is live on Radium. If you don't see yours, just wait. Sometimes it takes a few minutes for your coin to show up on DEX screener. Look at this. We can see the chart, trading volume, everything. This is pretty exciting. Let's just watch for a bit and see if we get any buyers. I'm going to speed up this part. Oh, nice. Someone just bought $264 worth. And there is another one for $176. People are actually finding and buying our token already. Look at that. Our token is getting some traction. This is exactly what you want to see when you launch. Now, here's where things get interesting. Since we created the liquidity pool, we can remove it at any time and take all the SOL that people have used to buy our token. Let me show you how this works, but I want to be super clear that this may be illegal and I do not recommend doing it. This is purely for educational purposes. Let's go back to Coin Launcher and click on Manage Liquidity. It may take time for your token to show up here as well. Don't worry, if you are not seeing it yet, just wait a couple more minutes and it should show up here. Here we can see our pool, and we have the option to remove liquidity. If I select remove liquidity and set it to 100%, I can pull all the SOL out of the pool. This would essentially kill the token since there'd be no liquidity left for trading. Again, this is just for demonstration. In a real project, you'd want to maintain liquidity to keep your token healthy and tradable. And boom, as you can see, we just removed the entire liquidity pool. So let me check my Phantom wallet and see how much SOL we ended up with. Started with 3 SOL, now we've got 6 SOL. So we made about 3 SOL from this whole process, which at current prices is roughly about $530. Not bad for about 15 minutes of work, right? But remember guys, this whole video was purely educational. Actions that I have shown in this video are not recommended. If you do decide to create your own token, think about building a real community and providing actual value, not just taking people's money. That said, now you know exactly how the process works, from idea generation to token creation to liquidity management. The tools are out there, they're easier to use than ever. If this video helped you understand how you can launch your own meme coin, smash that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you want to see more content like this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.